What's up YouTube? My name's Jess and I want to bring you on a journey in do-it-yourself projects. Okay, so I'm trying to build an arbor for the vine because the vine needs to climb. They love to do that. Vines love to climb. So I went around and I was looking for wood or anything that I could find so I could build myself an arbor. And I found this in somebody's garbage, so I scrapped it. Oh no! All right, we'll fix that later. Anyway, so I found this for the top portion of the arbor. And I didn't know what I was gonna do for the post, so I went ahead and went on the community Facebook page, and a woman had offered to cut me bamboo. She says it's grown in her yard like weeds, and she offered to cut me some, so I asked her for about 7.5 feet, and she went ahead and cut me 4 pieces of bamboo. So what I'm gonna have to do is wait for them to dry out a little bit more, that way all of the moisture comes out of them. And then what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna seal it. Now, I don't have a lot of money because I'm balling on a budget, so we're gonna seal it with the same stuff that I sealed the wood on the fence. And that is the Sedona Red Thompson's water seal.